Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a fall inspired mani using Cherael and Azure Beauty dip powders. So let's get right into the video. The nails I have on are actually dip extensions. There are no tips. I actually built the nail using dip liquids and dip powder to mimic a nail tip because my nails on this hand refuse to grow. I'll leave a link in the cards to how I did it. So I am just applying my own peel off base coat for easier removal. If you want your nails to last longer, you should skip this step and then I wait for them to dry fully. So I'm using my Cherael hot chocolate. So I apply a thin layer of base and then I dip it into the dip powder. I did 2 layers of that. It didn't necessarily need a second layer, but I missed a few spots and I did the same for my middle finger as well. Now on the pinky nail I applied 1 layer and it looked good and I had full opacity on the first layer, so I didn't bother to do another layer. I did the same for my thumb as well, and when I was finished you could tell the difference between the ones that I placed 1 layer on and the ones that I placed 2 layers on. One was lighter than the other. So as you can see, this dip powder is very messy. Now using my Azure Beauty gold dip powder on my ring finger, I did 2 layers. This gold is my favorite gold glitter. I really like it and I'll be buying another one very soon. I encapsulate my nails with Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder and I'm using my Uni Beauty dipping tray. Also, this Cherael dip powder stains everything. My nails were so stained and even the dipping tray was stained as well. It was so difficult to get off. So I encapsulated the nails and in between layers I saw that there were white specks on the nail. So I just applied activator to saturate the powder and then did my second layer. After the activator dried, of course, I did 2 layers of encapsulation on all of the nails. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. If you'd like to see how I file my nails into this shape, I'll leave a link in the cards. Now I'm using these nail stickers I got from Born Pretty. They are so cute. If you'd like to check them out, I'll leave a link in the description, and you can use my code Cherael20 for 20% off. So I'm just figuring out which nail sticker I'll be using, and I really liked the pair of gold leaves at the top right there, but what was concerning was the fact that there were only two. There were smaller leaves, but those were the only large ones and I really liked them. So I was hoping I didn't mess up with these leaves. So I applied one and it was very difficult to apply. In retrospect, I should have applied gel glue and top coat first before placing the nail sticker, because it really was not adhering to the nail and it was very difficult. When I was removing my second leaf, I messed it up and it tore. So now I was just left with one leaf, which was very disappointing because I really didn't like the smaller leaves that much. But eventually I had to use the smaller leaf and it worked out, but I preferred the larger one. So I decided to leave it like that and top coated the nails and cured for 30 seconds. However, off camera, I actually placed some of the gel glue and top coat over the nail. It worked, but I would recommend that you do that first before you apply your nail sticker. And also off camera, I also placed the small leaf on the pinky nail. So I waited for the nails to cool down and then I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!